Frontwoods Farmer. I want to give you guys a little update of what's going on. So we got to get all this and all this moved out of here because we finally got enough dirt. And I've been trucking in dirt. That's what I've been doing. I'm sure if you watched the last video of the machine shop, I guess you would call it the land clearing, lot leveling video. We've got a lot going on. So we're almost about done. So I brought in a lot of clean fill. It's dirt from local around here too. So we got that from a neighbor. We're gonna clean up all these barn stone. We're gonna clean up that old pump jack, that roofing. I already got the oak 2x4s in the back of the UTV. Another day we're gonna clean all this out. We're gonna put all our pallets. So we got like 14 pallets of wood. We're gonna put them all underneath some metal roofing, probably over here in the corner. Get everything moved way back. And then on our flat spot, then we're gonna get ready to build. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what we're doing. Been real busy here around here lately, trying to get everything, P's and Q's in order before deer hunting season starts and everything. So we've been having to get moving, but I will give you guys a better video and a little bit more content coming up. So what we're gonna end up doing, I figured it'd be smart, being the fact some of this stuff's gonna go to about $100 every stick. We got some 6-inch Schedule 40 PVC, and I got 6-inch Schedule 40 PVC running across the drive, a nice ditch line. And to make this flat, to meet this level, that level, this level, and this level, I had to put kind of like a dip in here and then go down. I want to fill this in flat. So we're going to run 6-inch instead of 4. And I might even wire that off going towards the downspouts and all that, where that's shooting out, with some river gravel and 4-inch corrugated. It's maybe we'll do a Schedule 40 and drill some holes, but something like that to just get all this drainage down where it's originally going. All right, so for you guys that know better, sorry. For you guys that don't know better, we're just going to use our PVC cement. You should use a primer first, make sure both surfaces are clean. Use like a piece of wood or something to tap that on with your hammer to make sure it's all the way home. And home, I mean by in the middle of it, right there, in the middle of the coupler, down in here, if you could see that. So that's the way we're doing it Frontwoods Farmer style, quick and to the point. And what we're gonna do, I didn't know what to do with this well casing, and I thought about it. If this is gonna remain the driveway to the other barn, machine shed, whatever you want to call it. So I figured this well casing I was using temporarily, got this well casing across our binder driveway here, our millings. I'm gonna use that as a sleeve. I'm just gonna sleeve it through there. Figure, so if this does crush a little bit over time, it's going to take all that pressure off our PVC into the drive. Go over on the other end, tell me if I'm past there yet. Okay. Sticking out. Oh, watch out. Not yet. Pull that rock off there. Now watch out, I don't hit you with this pipe. Ready? Yeah. Is it out yet? All right. Nothing yet? We'll have to shovel it. It must be plugged. So as you seen, we were having some trouble getting that stuck right there. So he was just lifting that pipe up to get it past. I'll just show you. Oh. Yeah, see all it, like that well casing's all smashed in, so it was hitting up on here and then back there. We had to clean out the pipe. But we had to smack it in there, push it. He was on the other end, I was on this end. No, don't hit no more, bud. And we had to push it through that casing. I want to get it past there. Well, I'm thinking now, it looked like a straight shot a long time ago. We're gonna probably need, turn it like this, a 22.5 to get up there, maybe an 11. All right, as you can see, we got a lot done. I wish I would have got a little more filming in. Still need a lot more fill dirt, but I got a big pile there, big pile up there. We're gonna try to slope this down through here. Then we'll keep our driveway here. I was thinking about moving it here though. I don't know. All right, guys, thanks for watching.